Hello, STEAM scholars! Your challenge for this project is to create your own moon rocks. Let's pretend we're on our first space flight with astronaut Neil Armstrong that landed on the moon on July 20th, 1969. Today, we are going to explore the S that stands for science, the A for art, and the letter M for math and STEAM. Let's begin. For this project, you can work in groups. Let's quickly go over the group roles so you know what you are responsible for. Recorder. As the recorder, you will help your group keep track of data and information that needs to be added to your data sheet. Reporter. The reporter will report back to the teacher or the classroom or lead the group in discussion about their project or exploration. Equipment manager. The equipment manager is responsible for gathering supplies and other needs for the whole group. Design thinking process observer. The design thinking process observer makes sure that students use the design thinking process and helps their group use each step when needed. And they help their group figure out which step they need to use to help the group complete their projects. And lastly, timekeeper. The timekeeper will keep the group on track by keeping track of the classroom timer. Now that we have our roles, let's begin. For this project, you will need a tablecloth, baking soda, a measuring cup, water, black and silver glitter, black liquid paint, and a bowl, and a lid, an apron, a fork, your design thinking process notebook, a pencil, and your design thinking process card. Step 1, disclaimer. Your hands will turn black from the black liquid watercolor, but it is washable, so wait until you are finished with your project to wash your hands. Step 2, write your name on the lid of your bowl. Now, I'm going to use this bowl so you guys can see through it. Step 3, you're going to measure about 1 cup of baking soda and then add it to your bowl. You can always add more later. Here is our measuring cup, and the 1 cup mark is up here. Step number 4, now you are going to add about 1/3 cup of water and slowly add it to your baking soda. You can always add more, but we want to pour slowly so we don't make the baking soda disappear. So first we're going to measure to 1/3, and then you're going to slowly pour and then stir as you go until you get a Play-Doh-like consistency. So we want it to clump up like this. And now, design thinking process observer. As you and your group are mixing, remember to help your group go over the design thinking process. So go ahead and take out your design process card and ask yourselves these questions. A, ask, what am I trying to create? B, brainstorm, how can I use my materials to create moon rocks? C, collect, what information have I learned that will help me create moon rocks? D, develop, what is the first step I need to make to create moon rocks? E, evaluate, what works, what doesn't work, what can I do to make my moon rocks better? And F, fine tune, is my design where I want it to be? Are there any changes I need to make? Remember, you can go to any step at any time as you are creating. If you run into a problem, continue to use the design thinking process. Remember, this is your project. It's okay not to get it right the first time. Keep trying. So step number 6, once you have finished mixing to your liking, you're going to mix about a 1/4 cup of black liquid watercolor. So here is the 1/4, and we're gonna squeeze that in. Remember, you do not have to use all of it. And I'm actually just gonna add just to this first rim of the bottom of the cup, and then I can add more later. You are gonna go all through the baking soda and mix. The amount of watercolor you use is up to you. By adding too much liquid, you can make your mixture too mushy, so remember that. But if that does happen, you guys can always add more baking soda. I'm gonna add some more black liquid color just to that first rim of my cup so that all the baking soda is coated. Now for the fun part, you guys are going to add around 2, you can add more, shakes of black and silver glitter. And shake 1, 2, and then I'm gonna add 2 shakes of my silver. 1, 2. We're gonna stir that. Great. I think I'm gonna add some more glitter. There we go. Now, once you have mixed your moon rock mixture, we are going to roll them into balls like a rock. I'm gonna take some and form a rock. Like so. And then keep forming until all of your mixtures form into balls. And then you will add it back into your bowl with the lid off and allow it to air dry for a week. So you can put your lid up under your bowl and put all of your moon rocks inside your bowl and let them air dry for a week. Please keep your moon rocks in the classroom as we will use it for our very next project. So before you go over these questions with your group. What did the mixture feel like when you only had baking soda and water? When you added your black liquid watercolor, what difference did you see in your moon rock mixture? How did the mixture feel once you added the glitter? What did the mixture look like when you added the glitter? And lastly, how do you think the moon rocks will feel once they dry? Until next time, my STEAM scholars, be great and keep exploring. Bye-bye.